In the previous video, we talked about the atomic nature of matter. We also talked about the nature of atoms as being the smallest particle that cannot be further divided. And we saw the modifications to the Dalton's atomic theory. So in this video, we shall be talking about the experimental evidence of the structure of atoms. So when we talk about atoms nowadays, we usually use structures like this. And so we've got the nucleus in the middle that has the proton and the neutron. And then there are electrons outside of the atom. But of course, we did not always know that atoms look like this in the early days. So scientists had to discover each of these subatomic particles one by one, as well as the overall shape of the atom. So experiments have shown that atoms are composed of subatomic particles, proton, neutron, and electrons. So now let's talk about the discovery of these subatomic particles. So electron was majorly discovered by J.J. Thomson. So J.J. Thomson's work was able to provide information about charge to mass ratio. So also Robert A. Millikan performed the oil drop experiment and was able to determine the charge of an electron. So neutron was discovered by James Chadwick and proton was discovered by Ernest Rutherford in his Goldfoil experiment. So two major experiments that support that atoms are made up of electrons are the Thomson's experiment and the Millikan's experiment. So one such experiment is this cathode ray experiment by J.J. Thomson. So this experiment helps us to calculate the charge to mass ratio. So basically, J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. So he discovers that they have a negative charge, but he was not able to figure out how much negative charge electrons have. So scientists still wanted to be able to put a number of on electrons. So this was what led to the Millikan's oil drop experiment. So Millikan's oil drop experiment paved the way for the calculation of the charge of an electron.